Viber gives you control over who can add you to group chats, helping you avoid unwanted invitations. Here's how to set up this feature. Open the Viber app, then tap on the three dots in the bottom right corner to access the main menu. After that, select Settings from the list of options. In the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. Here you will find the Control Who Can Add You to Groups section and tap on it. You'll have two options. The Anyone option allows anyone on Viber to add you to a group. The My Contacts option limits group invitations to people saved in your contacts. Choose the option that best suits your needs by tapping on it. Once selected, your settings will be saved automatically and your group preferences will be updated. This is a great way to ensure that you only join groups that are relevant or important to you. That's it. Now you know how to control who can add you to groups on Viber. For more tips and tricks, don't forget to follow.